Hi YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic of discussion is difference between JDK, JVM and JRE. But before we really jump into the difference, I have to make you understand what is compilation and what is runtime. So let's say as a developer, you are developing a piece of code, right? You have a 10 lines of code into a file and you save that particular file with .java file. And so that is basically that file is human readable, right? That can be understood by a human, but then when you want to run that particular file, you want a version where a computer can understand, basically your machine understand that particular language, right? That is when Java compiler comes into the picture. And what compiler does is, let's say I have a source code file named with code with sonali.java, and the compiler compiles this particular file and saves the byte version of that particular source file. The byte version is nothing but your .class file. So this is the role what compiler performs, that it converts your source code file into machine readable form, that is your byte version and .class file. Now we will see what runtime happens is during runtime, whatever .class file is saved by the compiler, so that particular class file is loaded and is verified. The bytecode gets verified, and then it is passed on to the interpreter. So the role of interpreter is nothing but it executes the particular code line by line. Like it reads the first line, execute it reads the second line and execute it, and so on. This everything happens on some runtime environment, right? You need an environment where you can run this particular file. So this runtime environment is nothing but your JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine. Okay, and this is how this compilation and runtime works. So in real time, we install Java, right, in our machine. Everyone, when we run the Java code, we have the Java installed in our machine. So I will practically show you how do we really differentiate between the compilation and runtime. What happens in compilation and what happens in runtime. So this is the place where your Java gets installed. It might be in program files or it might be in program files x68. So mine is in program files. So let's just open in JDK bin. So all the executable files are present in the bin folder of JDK. Now when you see, you have this Java and you have Java C. So this Java C is nothing but compiler. This particular file helps you to compile your Java program, and this executable file helps you to execute your program. So this is the major difference, that how the compilation and your execution happens. I have shown you how it happens. And back to my topic of discussion today, that is difference between JDK, JRE and JVM. So here it is. So let's say I explained you this thing, like you have a source file. The name is code with sonali.java. You give that particular, you run the compiler, Java C. So this is the compiler and it produces you the output to the .class file, right? Code with sonali.class file. Now this class file is an input to your JVM. So JVM is nothing but the environment to execute your program, right? But let's say you have a piece of a code where you have a dependencies on other libraries. Maybe it can be Lang package or it can be some Oracle jars you might need, right? So those are the other libraries. So if you see, this is the JVM and these are the other libraries. So JVM just provides you the environment to execute the program, but JRE provides you the environment to execute the program as well as the libraries, the dependencies which are required to execute the program. So basically this is what JDK, JRE and JVM is. So JDK is nothing but your complete package. This everything, the whole thing which I am showing you on this particular screen is your JDK. So that means JDK is having the compilation, having the runtime. Okay, so JDK is nothing but it provides the environment to compile your code as well as to run your code. Then comes the JRE. So JRE is nothing but the combination of JVM and the libraries, and that means it provides you the runtime environment to execute your source file and the libraries to support your code. Now coming back to the folder where our JDK is installed, right? So let's go back to, if you see, whenever you install JDK, it comes with a JRE. Okay, so you see there are two different packages, two different folders, JDK and JRE. So let's first just jump into JRE. So as I said, JRE is a runtime environment, right? So runtime as in it can just execute your program. So when I go to this particular folder, and if you see, I just have this executable file, Java. right? I don't have any Java C file, Java doc file, or Java P file, right? So this is what JRE is about. Now, when I go back to JDK, again in bin folder, so if you see here in JDK, I have the executable file as well. I have the compilation, I mean compiler, Java compiler. I have this Java doc, so it is for used for documentation purpose. I have Java P as well, right? So this Java P is nothing but it is used for packaging. So this is what JDK is about, and already I shown you the JRE. So JDK is nothing but your combination of compiler and combination of your execution, that is JRE. So this is what I can explain you visually, I mean through this particular JDK and JRE. And coming back to my presentation, I mean which I made, so this is the difference between JDK, JVM and JRE, and I have just I mean mentioned few pointers. So these are the pointers. I mean I can just explain you in short. As JDK is your compilation, you have jar debugging tools, you have the packaging tools, and you have documentation as well. Okay, but in JRE, you have only execution and the libraries. JVM is just in-time compiler. So I explained you and step, right? I mean, I explained you a step here in the interpreter. So what interpreter does is it executes each line of code. I mean, the line is read and it gets executed. Second line is read and it gets executed. At fifth line, you may get an exception, right? So what interpreter does is it skips the remaining line and just throws the exception, right? So that is what JVM does. It is just in-time compiler, that is interpreter, and that is how I mean this can be differed from each other. And even with JDK, you can have the tools necessary to compile, document, and package Java programs, which I already explained you. And this is like yeah, so that is how you can differentiate between all these three. So yeah, if I have to make it into a one picture, I mean whatever two diagrams which I explained you earlier, I want to just I mean occupy it in one single picture, right? Single diagram. So this is what I can explain you. This is JDK. So JDK consists of JRE and the development tools. JRE is the combination of JVM and other libraries. So JVM is, I mean, again, the execution handles the execution of the program, and these libraries are nothing but the dependent libraries which are required while executing a program. So yeah, JDK considers JRE development tools. JRE is a subset of JDK, and JVM is subset of JRE. So yeah, that is what it makes the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM. So thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, any questions for me, or any specific tutorials which you want to explain, or as a basic person, I mean you just started and you want something to explain very quickly, you can mention down into the comments. I will try to cover up in the upcoming videos. Yeah, thank you. Have a good day. If this is helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And maybe you can share with your friends as well. So, who are into this particular Java learning. So, that can be helpful for them as well. Yeah, thank you.